Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting and cleaning the cast iron. This prevents uneven cooking and hot spots. Once clean, dry it completely because water causes sticking and rust. Then, place the grill on medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes so it heats evenly. This reduces warping. Make sure to oil with a small amount of high smoke oil on a paper towel, held with tongs, and wipe thinly. That creates the initial non-stick layer and improves sear. Once the grill is seasoned and hot, focus on temperature control because cast iron holds heat long and can create hot spots. Use coals or burners to maintain a steady medium-high so you get a good sear without burning. When flare-ups occur, move food to an indirect zone and reduce direct flame. This preserves seasoning. Make sure to use an instant thermometer to check internal doneness, and lift food gently to avoid scraping the seasoned surface and removing oil layers. You finish by resting meats off the grill for 5 to 10 minutes to lock in juices. This improves texture and flavor. Once cooled but still warm, clean with a stiff brush to remove residues, avoid soap unless necessary, then dry thoroughly to prevent rust. Next, apply a thin coat of oil to maintain seasoning. If you find rust, scrub to bare metal, dry completely, and re-season in an oven at 375 degrees for 1 hour. That restores protection and nonstick properties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.